Linking Teachers with Technology. Welcome to a video with Madame McDonald.
So Google Sheets was created by Google, and it's very similar to another program called Microsoft Excel. And uh, this program, the programs are very similar. You can actually look up different ways that they differ, but as time goes on and Google makes updates, this program has become extremely similar to Excel, and so it works very similar to Excel. So I have a column here that runs vertical, goes up and down. If I click on A, I can actually go in and add another column to the right or to the left. And all I do is I just either right mouse click or double click on your touchpad, and you can just insert one left or one right. So let's do that right now. Let's add a column to the right. So there we go. So now I have, if you go all the way down, you can now see that it goes all the way to Z, column Z, but it also goes to AAAB. You can also do that with rows. So same thing. So I have information here and I need to add more information. So I'm just going to right mouse tap or double click on your touchpad, and you can go down and insert a row above or below. And I want to insert above this time. So I click on it, and now I have this amazing row that has given me, let's go all the way down. All the way down. Do you see I have 1,000 rows here, but I've now added 1,001, 1,002. So you can add as many as you want. This makes the program extremely versatile.
Merci beaucoup. Thanks for watching.